special weather statement. At 9:57 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong wind gusts along a line extending from 10 miles northeast of Luling to near Lockhart to near Kyle. Movement was southwest at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts ranging from 30 to 40 miles per hour and up to 45 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include New Braunfels, San Marcos, Kyle, Seguin, Lockhart, Luling, McQueeney, Martindale, Kingsbury, Staples, Fentress, Palmeto State Park, Geronimo, Zorn, Brownsboro, Joliet, Oak Forest, Belmont, Maxwell, and Reedville. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. The coastal waters forecast for Baffin.
It's low on battery.